Welcome to TwistedBrush Pro Studio. In this tutorial you will learn how to use the paint bucket and the gradient tools. The paint bucket tool allows you to fill or erase areas of your image based on color, hue, luminance or alpha ranges. To use it, click on the paint bucket tool on the toolbar or press the H shortcut key. Adjust the tolerance. The tolerance slider determines how large of an area will be filled based on similar color or hues. The smaller the tolerance, the closer the colors must match for the fill to continue. In Adjust mode, the tolerance slider is adjusted dynamically by clicking and dragging on your canvas. As you drag to the right, the tolerance value will increase. To fine-tune the tolerance, press and hold down the Shift key while making adjustments. The next step is to select the mode for the paint bucket tool. You can choose between 6 different modes. With the paint connected mode, you can fill all connected areas of an image that match the color. When the paint non-connected option is selected, all colors in the image that match are filled at the same time, even though they are in different, non-connected areas of the image. The Erase Connected mode will erase all connected areas of an image with matching color. The Erase Non-Connected mode will erase all areas with matching color, no matter if they are connected or not. The Paint Alpha Connected and Paint Alpha Non-Connected modes will fill connected or non-connected areas with the matching alpha ranges. Finally, you have to select if to work in Adjust or Repeat mode. In Adjust mode, the tolerance is adjusted as the cursor is moved. In Repeat mode, a new fill of the set type and tolerance will occur each time the cursor position is sampled. With this option, the tolerance values don't change while dragging on the canvas. The gradient tool is used to make a smooth transition of colors across your canvas. Select the gradient tool from the toolbar or press the G shortcut key. You can choose between linear and radial gradients. The color bar colors in combination with the color mode selection determine the colors for the gradient. It can be created between 2, 3 or 4 colors. Gradients can also start or fade to alpha, transparency, with the alpha to color and color to alpha options. With these you can achieve different effects.